Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for all things home decor and interior design. Today, we're sharing expert tips to help you pick the perfect pieces to suit your style, space, and lifestyle. Whether you're decorating a cozy apartment or a spacious home, these tips will make your furniture shopping a breeze. Let's get started. 1. Consider your space and layout. Before you even think about buying furniture, it's essential to consider your space and its layout. Measure your room dimensions. This will help you avoid buying furniture that's too big or too small for the room. Visualize how you want your space to look and feel, and plan a layout that maximizes both comfort and functionality. 2. Define your style. Next, let's talk about style. Your furniture should reflect your personality and the vibe you want to create in your space. Defining your style will make it easier to choose pieces that work well together and create a cohesive look in your home. Remember, it's okay to mix styles, but make sure they complement each other. 3. Prioritize functionality. While style is important, functionality is key when choosing furniture. Think about how you use your space daily and what pieces you need. In a dining area, a foldable table could be the perfect solution for saving space. Prioritizing functionality will ensure that your furniture not only looks great but also works well with your lifestyle. 4. Choose the right materials. Let's not forget about materials. The material of your furniture can make a big difference in durability, comfort, and style. If you have kids or pets, you might want to opt for stain-resistant fabrics and durable materials. For a more elegant look, natural materials like wood or marble can add a touch of luxury to your space. Choose materials that suit your lifestyle and maintenance preferences. And that's it. Those are our top tips for choosing the right furniture for your space. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments your favorite furniture piece in your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.